Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing another baking video, our weekly video that we do once a week. Today we are going to be making chocolate chip cookies, just basic chewy chocolate chip cookies, which I'm really excited about. I don't know about you guys, but I like my cookies a little chewier than crunchier. So that is how I am going to be making them today, but you can do whatever you would like. But as always, let's go ahead and get into this. But in the comments, please let me know what you would like me to bake next week, because I want to hear what you guys make and then I want to try your guys' recipes. But let's go ahead and get into this. Okay, this is everything that we're gonna need for the recipe. So first is 2 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of fine sea salt, 2 sticks or 1 cup of unsalted butter, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar. I have my 2 large eggs in here. They have to be room temperature. It calls for 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, but I only have almond extract, so that's just what we're gonna use. And then 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. I'm gonna go ahead, put my hair up, and then we can start. Okay, we're gonna start off with a medium bowl, and you're gonna put in the baking soda, the flour, and the salt, and then just mix it all together. Now that the dry ingredients are all mixed up, now we are going to grab a large bowl and we are going to put in the softened butter, the granulated sugar, and the brown sugar. So now I'm going to go ahead and soften our butter. While our butter is getting softened, I'm going to go ahead and put the 3/4 cup of sugar and brown sugar into our large bowl. This is now what our batter looks like. Now we are going to go ahead and beat in the eggs one at a time to make sure that it's all mixed together, and then we are going to add the vanilla. we are gonna go ahead and add our flour mixture. We're gonna go ahead and gradually pour it in as we're mixing, but you wanna make sure that you don't over mix it. So as soon as you don't see any flour, stop mixing. Okay, now that everything is mixed in, we're gonna go ahead and add in the 2 cups of chocolate chips. It says grab a spatula so you're able to fold in the chocolate chips. So this small one is the only one that I could find. So we're gonna go ahead and fold in the chocolate chips. Look how good that looks. I am so excited. Look at that. That looks delicious. Oh my gosh. Ah! Okay, now that the chocolate chips are all folded, now here comes being patient. So now we need to go ahead and cover the bowl and chill the dough in the fridge for at least 30 minutes, but you could also do it up to 24 hours. So let's go ahead, cover it up, put it in the fridge, and then I'll let you know when our timer is up. Now let's put her in the fridge. Good morning, y'all. I am so sorry. It is now the next day because Hunter and I, after we had already put it in the fridge, Hunter came over and then we had to run some errands. But it is now the next day. We're gonna go ahead, preheat our oven to 375, get the mixture out of the fridge, and then start lining a baking sheet. Okay, our first baking sheet is completely filled up. We got about 20 cookies on here. We still have quite a bit of batch left. This recipe made a bunch of mixture. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and get another baking sheet and put some more cookies on it. Here are our cookies, guys. That recipe made a lot of cookies. Right here we have around 36. Obviously it depends on how big or small you like your cookies and that you make them if you were to make this recipe. But this mixture did make a lot of cookies. So we're gonna go ahead. Our oven was preheated to 375. Go ahead, put both of these baking sheets in the oven for around 9 to 11 minutes. Then we're gonna check them. The recipe says that they're gonna look a little undone, but we're still gonna go ahead, get them out of the oven and let them cool, and then they will set up. So let's go ahead and get these cookies into the oven. So it has been 11 minutes. Here's what the cookies look like. I think I did put them a little too close together because majority of them are touching. But I mean, that's okay as long as they taste good. So they're just gonna go ahead and chill for a little bit and then we will let you know how they taste. Okay guys, they have been cooling for about 10 minutes. The recipe said 5, but I just went ahead and did 10. So I'm gonna go ahead and try one and let you know. Like always, the recipe will be linked in the description. They're really good. I really like these. They're just your basic chocolate chip cookie, obviously, but they're really good. They are really chewy though. I love really chewy. If you don't like really chewy, I don't think you're gonna like these, but I think they're really good. They're really chewy and they're homemade, and they're always better when they're homemade. So love these so much. Definitely recommend if you like really chewy chocolate chip cookies. They're really good. I would highly recommend them. But yes, like always, the recipe will be linked in the description. Please let me know what I should make next. It doesn't have to be baking. It could just be a recipe that you guys love making. I am wanting to make anything and everything because I am getting married in 7 months and I want to know what to make for my husband. So please let me know any recipes, any baking recipes, anything. I'm willing to learn everything. But please send me the recipe either on Pinterest or just typing it out in the comments. Just let me know. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here. I love all of you all. Please like, subscribe, comment what I should do next, and comment to just say hi. But if you guys have Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, my name is Presley's Home on all of them, just like it is on YouTube. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.